Hi everyone and welcome back to my more report analysis videos with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets on Tuesday 11th of April. Looking at cable now, and we've just seen cable just rallying slightly yesterday and again holding up today. We've just had the UK inflation data. The market's certainly looking at that as a positive move, with about sort of 10-20 ticks up from following on from that data. Nothing too significant though of the upside, but certainly still holding on to what I'm sort of looking out for as a little basis of support at 23.45, which is that old low from February, which I think is still a basis coming into April. 23.75, 23.60 yesterday, and I think again a little bit of a bounce today. Just you're looking at these momentum indicators, basically flat really, nothing too significant. 49 on the RSI, just drifting at a very marginal negative drift, seeing as we've sort of posted a series of lower highs in the last few days, and I think, or last couple of weeks I should say, I mean that sort of resistance at 25.05 from last week's midweek high, I think that is the level that the market needs to breach to sort of then pull back towards the 26 area, which is these highs over the last 2 or 3 months. And that would sort of put paid to this corrective drift that we've got going on, and that would sort of help to support the market. But I think that at the moment what we are seeing is a bit of an uncertain phase of trading on cable. There's nothing too significant in terms of direction. You've got today's low 24 figure, which is sort of, again, as I said, supportive, and the market's just unwinding some of those CPI inflation-induced sterling gains. But you look at these hourly indicators, well, the hourly indicators are actually rolling over now. Hourly MACD line is rolling over, giving that sell signal. Stochastics rolling over. It's not all that great. So if you sort of started to roll over and start to trade back in the 1.23s, I'd say that you could start to drift lower once again. 23.60 is yesterday's low, and then 23.45 is that sort of February low, which I'm taking as a bit of a line in the sand really. If you start to trade below that, I think you're sort of turning more negative, and you could see a move back to a 21 figure. So it's still sort of fairly uncertain in terms of the outlook, but with a marginal near-term bear drift, and that could turn into something more significant if you sort of break below 23.45. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.